two guys in Isfahan in Iran, actually.
Cool.
So I think now we have a lot of interesting learning and reasoning components within the OpenCog architecture, and they all work together on the same knowledge base, which is called the atom space, which is the long-term and short-term memory of OpenCog. But not enough work has been done to get all these parts of the system to work together in a synergetic way for the goal of combining an agent. So the next challenge we have, really, during the next year and a half, is to make OpenCog's various components work effectively as an integrated system for controlling an agent. So right now, the video game character is controlled only by a couple different OpenCog components. But the other components are there in the code base and have been used for other projects. So we need to get them all working together to make the agent smarter and smarter. And that, in a way, it's challenging socially, because it means the programmers who wrote the different components have got to understand what each other did. Right?
Yeah.
So we're sort of in a system integration phase, not so much at the code level, but at the fine-tuning of the algorithms level, where each algorithm's got to be fine-tuned to work well with the other ones. And once we get done with that, then of course we may see that some of the algorithms need some improvement to work well in the context of the overall system. I mean, we have a high-level design for the OpenCog system, which is, close to 1,000 pages, but still, that only scratches the surface. There's more and more and more details.
Yeah.
Building a brain is hard. Look at the textbook of neuroscience is this thick. And again, that's only the abstract. You got to dig into the research literature, see what's really going on. Then OpenCog is not as complicated as a human brain, but even if it's 1/10 as complicated as a human brain, there's still a hell of a lot going on there.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of code, so to speak. So, okay, cool. Kind of a system integration. Yeah, I imagine different people are writing different segments. That does add an entirely different element of kind of complication in there.
Yeah, and some segments are written by people who have moved on to and are not with the project anymore. And you got they did. It is a large-scale software engineering project as well as a research project, and having those two aspects pursued in parallel on the same code base has a variety of challenges associated with it. Think about something like Microsoft Word. Microsoft has 100 people or something working on that.